Ever pondered over how far a DJI drone can fly? Well, today we unravel the mystery surrounding the range of these fantastic flying machines. So what did our range test reveal? The answer is as thrilling as it is enlightening. The DJI Mini 2, a compact and user-friendly drone, impressed us with a maximum range of 5 kilometers or 3 miles. Isn't that quite a distance for such a small device? Next in line we have the DJI Mavic Air 2. This device surpassed expectations with a staggering range of 10 kilometers or 6 miles. Quite a leap from the Mini 2, wouldn't you agree? And then we have the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2 Zero, a true titan in the world of drones. This beast blew us away with a maximum range of 8 kilometers or 5 miles. It's not the longest range, but it certainly makes a statement. Finally, the king of the hill, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. This drone stands at the pinnacle with a jaw-dropping range of 18 kilometers or 11 miles. Imagine the possibilities with such a vast range at your disposal. To sum it all up, the DJI drones offer a wide range of flight distances, from the compact Mini 2's 5 kilometers to the Mavic 2 Pro's incredible 18 kilometers. However, it's important to understand that these are maximum ranges under optimal conditions. Real-world factors like wind, signal interference, and flight speed can significantly affect your drone's range, so always keep these factors in mind when planning your flights. In conclusion, the DJI drones offer an impressive range, providing users with the freedom to explore vast landscapes and capture awe-inspiring footage. Whether you choose the Mini 2, the Mavic Air 2, the Phantom 4 Pro V2 Zero, or the Mavic 2 Pro, you're in for an exhilarating experience. And remember, it's not just about how far your drone can fly, it's about the journey it takes and the memories it helps you create. So go ahead and embrace the sky with DJI drones. You never know what amazing sights you might uncover.